AMC stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onwards. So in this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. With 5 years into the game and 41,000 videos made, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Practically speaking, AMC Entertainment holding for me is just a straight up bullish idea. Now, like I said in the previous video, ideally I see a break above here or some sort of confirmation taking place so then I can take things up. If it does pull down a bit lower, it's going to be a whole different play. I mean, it's obviously I'm still open-minded for longs. And look, like I've had so many previous receipts in the Discord with AMC as well, you know. So there's like really no sweat that I'm still open-minded for to take things up. But randomly buying, it's not the way. Like, it definitely is not going to be the way. I would just stick to what's worked for me and what's not. And I mean, if you do have questions, you can click the first link in the description, get my free emails. But other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. The biggest factor here is I'm just trying to catch that buy, and then the managing the trade game is going to be far a lot easier, you know, a lot smoother. There's a lot of variables that play a role, though. Obviously this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.